Alright.
Hey guys, welcome to my
An
channel. I'm
hour
your host.
of pusuan or laruan. Labigat. Kunin ko lang yung fan ko, guys. Baby,
Host Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusoan or
gusto ko sumali dito. Like, if I join here. I think this one's older batch ata to. Parang older batch to. Enough with the... Whoa. Oh, si Sung Jinwoo. Brad, tinanong si Sung Jinwoo.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here, and we'll also be bringing out some sexy single ladies one by one.
Wait, let me fix my headphones. Freak. What a prank. Natulods. Dang, ang dami naka-ano.
So, kung
Lolo?
napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy
Lolo?
single, feeling nyo
Alright.
mag-vibe kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi kayo mag-match or hindi nyo siya masyadong vibe, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles?
I need my own balloon in this.
Alright, let's play.
Ba't may balloon din ako?
Pusuan or laruan. Here comes our first sexy single.
Well, imagine na lang natin kasali din ako.
Hello, so
Oh
what's
my
your name
days,
and
I
how
need
old
2
are you?
balloons.
Hi, I'm Aiko Garcia and I'm 25 years
Oh,
old.
she's only
Okay,
25?
And what
Oh
do you do
my
for a living
days.
or anong job mo?
Right now I'm a VMX artist.
Okay. And what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
I love to travel.
Travel?
Gusto ko ng mga dagat. Ng mga dagat.
Okay.
Yeah, and yun lang.
And how about sa isang ideal partner?
I think
Ano
I know
mahanap
her.
mo?
I've watched
More
her.
of, attitude.
Attitude. Okay.
Yeah,
Anong klaseng
and-
attitude?
Siguro,
Siguro. Yeah, I like the way I like the way she
gentleman.
talks.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh.
and
I think
humble.
pinamagat niya yung
Ano naman mga
character.
deal
Oh shit,
breakers
humble.
mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Una-una, arrogant.
Okay.
Nataturn off ako.
Alright, so talagang humble.
Wait, let me get some. Alright.
Yeah,
dapat.
and syempre gusto ko yung
Kunyari, ito yung balloon
may
ko, guys.
plano sa
Pag
buhay.
binato ko to, ibig sabihin ayoko.
May goals sa life.
Yeah, so kung wala,
Yeah.
bye.
Okay. So right now, mukhang wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating... Magpa-pop ka ba? Okay. Right now, mukhang wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So it's up to you. I would like you to choose just based
I like
on
her
what you're seeing right
outfit
now.
right now.
two
I like her
balloons
OOTD right
to
now.
pop.
Oh my God.
Go. Kaya mo
Wag
yan.
ako, please, wag ako. Bago lang ako dito.
Then why did you join? Hindi, ganun lang talaga sa
Okay,
dating.
okay,
You can't
okay.
date
Kaya
them
nga,
all.
you can't
so.
date them all, yeah.
Mahihain
Just pick
ako
me.
eh. Sorry.
Shy type.
Hi.
O si Sung Jinwoo. Ah,
Hello.
buti nga sa'yo. Aray ko
Alright,
sayang.
so let's go over here. So, what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm RB. I'm 30 years old, project engineer.
30.
So, bakit
project
siya yung napili
engineer.
mo i-pop?
Well, let me, hi, I'm AJ, I'm 24, yeah, let's just say, I'm August, I'm 24, and I'm a streamer. Alright.
First impression ko, ang strong ng personality niya for me.
Paano mo malalaman
Parang-
strong? Is it like his outfit? Is it his...
Siguro yung facial
Okay.
expression.
I've watched
Parang
her
Okay.
before.
masungit.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
sorry.
Masungit.
Do you have any response to that? Totoo ba yung sinasabi niya?
Sa panlabasan pero mabait talaga ako.
Oh,
Oh,
Ano
it's
yan?
okay. You don't know. You didn't know. It's fine.
um,
Hindi niya naman alam
I
eh, di ba?
guess it's decided.
All right.
Uh,
And over here as well. Hi. Welcome back to the show.
What, what if sabihin niya na hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mga mukhang anime eh. Kamukha niya kasi si Sung Jinwoo.
All right. So just for our viewers, hi. So what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Aaron Clemente. I'm 32 years old.
Oh, 32
I'm
na pala to
a
si Sung
field tech
Jinwoo.
technician.
And
Field
bakit
tech
siya napili mo
technician.
i-pop?
Look! Look! Ano yun? Yo,
um,
yo, 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 yo.
And bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Yo! Yo, chat. Ano to?
um,
Magkakilala na kami.
magkakilala tayo?
Oh, dati
Hello!
ba? Yung
Wait, imagine saying magkakilala na kayo. And then, response niya, magkakilala tayo?
dati, before ka mag-VMX, nagtutour kami.
Where?
Nakalimutan niya na siguro.
Kasi,
So,
Pasikat ka, boy! Yo, imagine guys. Imagine saying this to, a video na you know this girl and the girl doesn't even recognize you. Holy aura. Negative aura.
alam ko yung real name niya din.
Oh.
Oh
Oo.
my, this is creepy.
Ang dami ko na kasi sinamahang tour.
Oh, okay. Small world naman pala.
Dude,
That's
like-
fun. Oh, yun naman pala.
I'm
naging natin
cringing.
na
That's why
together
I'm
before.
cringing. That's why
And
I
then
fast
just
forward.
travel buddy.
Nice
So
one,
right
Marian
now we
Honor.
have
So deep ka.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question para mahanap natin ang iyong
Wait,
pusuan
bakit parang
match.
ano?
Ano yung pinakaunang gusto nyo sa babae?
Wait.
Ano
So I'd like you to ask a question para mahanap natin ang
Ay, may
iyong
question na siya.
pusuan match.
Ano
Alright.
yung pinakaunang gusto nyo sa babae?
Hi, my name
Pinakaunang gusto ko sa babae. Gusto ko sa babae maganda. I like my girls like how I like my fuck, never mind. Gusto ko maganda.
is Reese. I'm 40 and I'm a senior DevOps engineer. Ang hinahanap ko sa isang babae yung support.
My name is Zach. I'm 32 years old and I work in sales. I generally look at a woman's physical traits first, but I have a specific criteria when I look into her physical traits.
What sort of traits do you look for?
Oh,
Decent
Sort-
looking. That's number.
sort of trait. Kind of trait. Gusto ko yung maganda, mapayat. Uh, in terms of sizes, it's fine. Any size. I mean, any size. Like boobs or butt.
Number
Any
one.
size, bro.
What is decent for you?
I think it's subjective,
Okay.
but when I say decent, it's probably the
Let's just be
type of
honest. Like,
look or appearance.
ba't di na tayo
that's
maging
not-
honest? Gusto ko yung maganda. Gusto ko maganda talaga.
not too flashy, maybe. Because I
Flashy.
feel being a territorial guy, I don't want other
Whoa.
guys looking at, my girl. If
Wait,
you know,
what's your thought about that, guys? If someone's here in the chat, if territorial ka, then ayaw mo may tumitingin sa girlfriend mo or sa wife mo. You're crazy. 'Di ba? Kasi like paano mo mapipigilan 'yun? Gusto mo yung gusto mo yung like may gusto mong babae yung maganda physical wise. 'Di ba? Tapos ayaw mo titignan. Ikaw nga napatingin eh. Paano pa kaya kami?
if I end up being in a relationship with one. I want that flashy aspect of her to be kept for myself.
Hi, I'm Jed. I'm 34 and I'm a
Oh,
backup.
natatakpan ko sila.
Siguro
Dude, natatakpan ko sila. I'll just be here na lang siguro sa baba.
physically maganda yung mata.
Let's repeat
2
it.
years old and I work in sales. I generally look at a woman's like physical traits first, but I have like a specific criteria when I look
There you
into her physical traits.
What sort of traits do you look for?
Decent looking, that's number one.
What is
She wants a
decent for you?
decent
I
looking
think
girl.
it's subjective,
woman.
but when I say
Ba't
decent, it's
tumatawa yung
probably
Mita to?
the
Parang bawal,
type
bawal
of
ba yun?
look or appearance that's not too flashy.
Dude, ang
Because
awkward
I
niya ano pag
feel
hindi na
at
ikaw yung
me,
kausap.
being a
Nakatayo ka lang.
territorial guy, I don't want other guys looking at my girl if I end up being in a relationship with one. I want that flashy aspect of her to be kept for myself.
Hi, I'm Jed. I'm 34 and I'm a backup.
Tanda naman,
Siguro
25 siya, tas 30,
physically
or baka
maganda
yun ba
mata.
yung ano?
Behavior siguro
Yung maganda.
mahaba yung pasensya.
Gusto ko rin
Hi,
yung mata.
my name
Pag
is
maganda yung mata.
JC.
Tas
I'm
mahilig ako sa
34
maganda.
and
Maganda yung
I'm a
glasses.
professional
Pag bagay sa kanya yung
esports
glasses.
commentator. For me, I think someone who just fits into my life because my life is pretty established already and it's pretty hectic.
Established. That's
I
nice.
also travel a lot, so
Sana
ideally someone who can fit into my life would be the
fit
main thing.
into my
I'm
life.
Axel. I'm 35 and I do freelance job like I do modeling and then real estate. I have a small business like coffee and then I'm an athlete also.
Parang lahat
I
sila
like,
nag-i-English, no?
Siguro sa
Dami naman
physical,
na sinasabi.
maganda yung teeth niya. Attitude,
Teeth.
honest and loyal.
Hi, I'm
Attitude,
AJ
I think I don't
Almacen.
give a shit
I'm
about
30 years
attitude.
old. I'm a contractor
They will
and
adjust.
a civil engineer.
If you
and
love
I
someone, you
manage
will adjust,
business
right?
then into cars. We restore cars, paint, and
No,
sometimes
nice.
freelance actor din. Sa physical
Freelance
naman talaga
actor.
tayo
How to be a
tumitingin at
freelance
first.
actor?
So
Gusto ko rin
when it
maging
comes to
freelance
physical
actor
thing,
or model.
I want then nice eyes, nice smile. Then when it comes naman into the personality traits, someone I can vibe with. Kasi marami rin talaga akong passion
Wait,
sa buhay.
personality.
So,
Gusto ko yung
I want
opposite
someone
ko.
who's driven, who's supportive, could be
Good.
my partner on making my empire.
Hi, I'm Jeff.
Making my
I'm 32
empire.
years
Jeff.
old. I'm working
Yo,
as
why-
a
why-
civil engineer in
Jeff
a government
Parson,
agency.
why are you
I'm looking
Jeff?
for a girl
Jeffers,
a woman na
Jefferson.
siyempre, ang
Yung sa
isang
Jefferson,
woman,
Jefferson.
tinitingnan niya yung
Wow.
babae agad sa
Ang ganda nung ano niya,
unang-una,
jacket niya.
yung appearance. But yet,
Crop
I'm
top na,
looking
ano,
for a
Ferrari,
very good
holy.
personality who is
Very good
humble
personality,
and
humble.
also yung makakasama mo talaga sa buong buhay mo who will
Wow.
support you with all your life. Yun.
Ilan taon na ba siya?
Hindi lang
32?
naman
Kaya kasi
sila
32
yung
na eh.
magiging support sa'yo and also nakaya ko rin silang i-support for the long run.
So, based on those answers,
Who
I would
will
like you to
pop?
choose.
I think I wanna-
backwards walk.
I think she's gonna pop
Two
the salesman.
balloons to pop.
The salesman, the sales.
The pop.
First and second. I think
Okay,
first and second.
so I'll
Feel
go
ko.
here.
Okay. Binibigay niya na talaga.
Ten, ten,
Yung
ten,
first.
ten.
Dude, it's expected.
And here.
Okay, hi.
Si Osas
so,
pala
bakit
to eh.
siyang napili mo i-pop?
Series
Um,
40.
based sa
40 na
gusto
kasi.
niya,
Which is...
sorry.
40 na.
Nangyari? Ano, based sa gusto niya. Could you repeat for everyone kung ano ba yung na-mention
Wait,
mo kanina?
why would
I'm
you say
looking for a
based sa
girl
gusto
na
niya?
supportive sa akin.
Oh, so hindi ka ba supportive?
Wala na, dude. See? Just say you don't want
I'm
him.
a little bit stubborn.
Baka
to-
mag-clash, gano'n.
Yeah.
Baka mag-clash. Okay, that's
Okay.
a nice,
Kasi,
that's nice.
Ano ako eh,
It's okay.
kung ano yung gusto ko din,
Mm-hmm.
I do it for myself. Kasi,
It's okay.
kind of
it's
like
okay.
independent
Yeah.
talaga. So, if I have plans, I have goal,
Mm-hmm.
I'll go for it. So,
So you feel
You'll
like
go
he
for it.
wouldn't
Dude, just
do
speak
that? Or do you have any
Tagalog.
response sa sinabi niya?
Sa akin kasi at age of 40,
Yeah, kasi 40 na eh. Tanda
kumbaga,
na.
nagsisettle down na.
Oh my
kumbaga,
days.
well-established na. May business
Oh,
ako.
paano niya nagagawa yun? Like, ang lapad ng noo niya, guys. Tapos bagay sa kanya yung cut. Oh my days. Is it nakasanayan na lang? Ba't bagay
And,
sa kanya yung
I
cut?
have a nice
Pag ako,
look. So,
nung ako
ang
nagpaganyan,
sa akin
hindi
lang is
bagay.
Yung support ng partner.
Sa tingin mo ba, magbabibe kayo based sa sinabi niya about herself na independent and...
Pwede naman siguro mag-compromise.
Compromise. Kaso napop na yung
Pero
balloon
in the
mo,
long
so...
term,
yeah, hindi.
Siguro,
Syempre,
mas
hindi.
okay na...
Tsaka
mas
she's
maintindihan
25.
niya yung-
She's only 25.
Yung nature ng work
And then
ko.
ito,
Fair set na
40.
tayo doon.
Yeah.
Alright,
My
and also
answer.
over here. Bakit siya yung isa pang napili mo ipang?
Syempre, because of being
Based
territorial.
sa sinabi niya, ayaw niya ng flashy.
Flashy. Oo nga. Tingnan mo naman yung,
na
the way she dressed
pinagtitinginan
right
ng
now.
iba.
Right.
Kasi I love to dress
Oo.
and to make myself
Tsaka
pretty
maganda
for
siya.
myself.
Yeah.
So, hindi ko siguro may iwasan na if I'm in public, kailangan cover up ako masyado or what kasi I'm gonna wear based sa mood ko, like that.
Okay, so you don't want to be limited in that way.
Yes.
Ganun. Okay, do you have any responses, sinabi niya? Do you agree with her?
Yeah, totally agree with her. I just want to add on top of that, just because I said I
Nag-add pa eh,
wanted
biglang
someone
binawi,
who's
no?
not that flashy, it doesn't mean I'm
Hindi.
kind of attacking her, for lack of a better term.
Inaano niya, no?
It's more of like me indirectly complimenting her because the fact that I noticed, she's, well, in my opinion, a little bit flashy. She can catch the attention of other guys.
Blah, 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 blah,
It's
blah,
most likely
blah,
that she caught my
blah,
attention
blah,
too.
blah,
So
blah, blah.
it's kind of like an indirect compliment in a way.
Fair siya,
Blah,
type
blah,
naman
blah,
ba sana
blah,
siya? Do you think she fits your...
If I were younger, like I was so into girls, she would be 20 out of 10 out of.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah,
5
sure, bro.
balloons left. So I want you to ask
6
another
balloons
question
left.
to help you narrow down your choice.
Where would you take your partner on a first date?
Oh my. Me personally, I don't know. Like first date? Well, I'd like to take her for a walk or coffee date kasi kapag nag-dinner agad, parang masyadong intimate and parang hindi na kayo makapag-usap kasi kakain kayo eh. Hindi kayo makapag-usap masyado, like ang awkward agad siguro for me. Maybe go for walks, arcade, stuff like that. Depende rin sa ano. Ayun. Para lang makilala ko pa siya ng gusto. Coffee date, pwede.
Siguro I would rather ask you kung saan mo mas gusto kasi
What?
I'm very active person so I can do hiking, we can do
First
a
date,
beach
hiking?
trip,
No,
or
beach trip
sabihin
first
natin,
date.
gusto mo
I think
medyo
that's
laid
too
back,
much, no?
mga cafe hopping, mga ganun.
No,
So
cafe
we can
hopping,
also
yan,
do
pwede rin.
siguro tambay lang sa car tapos na tayo kumain.
Yo! Tambay lang sa car. Like, first date tambay sa car. Never. Never in my life I've seen or heard someone having their first date in a car unless yung first date nyo is yung outside cinema. Yung nasa parking kayo and then may malaking projector and then manonood kayo movie. Pero yung first date sa car.
Conversation, ganun.
For the first date, since it's really just getting to know each other, I
Yeah.
like to keep it simple, and I would ask you, do you like drinks or coffee? I like to plan that, so I'd pick the place and then I'd pay the bill because it's the first time we'd met. So
Wow.
Yeah, I'd pay the bill too.
Coffee or drinks? I think that's.
Me personally, I would never let my girl pay. Yeah. Mataas yung pride ko pagdating sa ganun. Like,
It's the easiest way to
parang nabababa
know
ako kapag
someone
di ako
initially.
nagbabayad.
I
Pag di ako
think I'm
nagbabayad.
gonna do the traditional
Okay lang yung
dating
ano,
na
okay lang yung ano.
coffee or dinner tapos movie. I think
Ako
that's
lang.
a perfect first
Parang ako lang.
bonding na
That's just
memorable.
me.
Sino magbabayad?
Me.
Okay, just checking.
Kala ko hati.
Just checking.
Wala namang
Siya
masama
kasi
kung gusto hati or
For
hindi.
me, siguro at first sabihin
Pero
ko
pag
muna
kasi
sa'yo
ikaw
na
pag first
you
date
could just
kasi
be whatever you want,
pag first date
whatever
kasi
dress na
pag
kung ano
first
gusto mo.
date
Just want
kasi
to be yourself. Yun
pag-
lang at
pag
first.
fir-
Siyempre, I'm going to
And
pick you up.
stutter!
Sunduin kita. Ayoko naman mag-grab ka.
Pag
or
first
mag-fast
date,
ka, diba?
pag first
So, right
date
after
kasi
nun, I'm gonna make you feel comfortable. We're gonna go on a long road trip.
Wait,
maybe.
pag first
May mga
date,
nice
wow,
view. Kasi I'm
wait, pag first date ba, do you really have to sundo? Like, I'm thinking, hatid, that's sure. If you have a car, that's sure. Pero kung hindi, like, are girls willing to go on a date na hindi sila susunduin? First date na hindi sila susunduin? Isn't it better kasi, kasi syempre, better din na sunduin para mawala na yung awkwardness. Tas, makapag-icebreaker na kayo sa car. Yeah? I don't know.
fan of city lights, ganyan,
City
beach view,
lights.
city lights, nature. We can talk about whatever, anong passionate ka, anong trip mo sa buhay, or how do you see yourself like
10 years.
on just being naturally you.
Sa akin kasi kagaya kanina, pinakinggan kita na you wanted na pumunta sa mga beaches, di ba? So, ang
First
akin kasi
date,
parang I
beach?
will make time para
No.
malaman muna kung saan mo gustong pumunta. Pagkatapos
I
nun, syempre, pupunta tayo doon na I will treat, kasi
I will
I'm a
treat.
very family-oriented din kasi. So, I will treat you,
Mm.
syempre, in some time, you will be, if ever, di ba, you will be my family. And
Whoa,
yun
that's
yung gagawin ko. I will
fast.
treat you as
That's
like them.
fast.
And ayun, kakain tayo
Okay,
maybe
okay.
sa ayun, hili ko rin kasi sa nature, ganyan, with the view and also with a very interesting kind of food. And also, somehow
What?
I can cook. Ayun. Thank you.
Somehow?
Okay,
Somehow?
so based on those answers,
Me, I can
I'd
cook
like
also,
you to
bro.
choose two
But I think
balloons.
inviting someone to your place for a dinner, it's next level.
Okay, let's start over here. So, bakit siya yung napili mo ipa?
Dude, imagine saying all those things, right? Just for your balloon to be popped. Sana pala sinabi ko na lang, nature trips.
Based on his
Feel ko
answer,
pipiliin niya yung esports eh, halata sa mukha.
kung ano daw gusto ko.
Okay.
I wanted a guy kasi na nakaplano na.
Magte-take
Nakaplano
charge,
na,
ganun.
take
Yes,
charge siya.
who did the
Sa
plan
bagay,
and everything. Ayan.
Pupunta pa.
Do you have any
Ang,
response to that?
ang gagawin na lang niya,
Okay lang. First date
magpapaganda.
eh. So, feeling ko dapat kung saan siya mas
Magpapaganda.
comfortable. Dapat noon. And siguro I would take this opportunity. Ano nga yung VMX? Sorry.
VMAX daw.
Viva Max.
Viva Max.
Oh, wait,
Thank you.
wait, guys. This is a legit question. Are you willing to date someone who's into softcore? Yun may tawag sa kanila. Softcore yun, di ba? Softcore porn. Hindi siya kasi it's fake.
Natanong wala.
Ano siya? Okay.
Okay. Everyone's clear here on what VMX is Viva Max. And over here then, so bakit siyang isa pang napili mo ipa?
Same thing. Parang nakikita ko na parang he wanted to depends on where I wanna go and what do I plan. Kasi gusto ko din talaga sa guy, leader, who's
Okay.
dominant, na parang I wanna be submissive.
Alright. Do you have any
Kaya-
response to that?
Ayun, so kung paano ko rin nire-respect yung woman and I respect your answer. Ayun, thank you.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. Okay, so we have 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask again another question to help you find kung sino bang the one sa
Yeah.
kanilang tatlo.
Based sa narinig nyo about my work,
About,
and about my age,
what a
and
question.
siguro based on your first impression, ano kaya ang goal or nakikita nyo if I'll be your partner or girlfriend?
Well, Wait,
Sa
can you
narinig
repeat
3
the question,
balloons
miss?
left. So I'd like you to ask again another question to help you find kung sino bang the one sa
Yeah.
kanilang tatlo.
based sa narinig nyo about my work and about my age and siguro based on your first impression, ano kaya ang goal or nakikita nyo if I'll be your partner or girlfriend or basta ganon.
Okay.
Wait,
Alright.
again,
Let's
nag-space out
and
ako.
about my age, based sa narinig nyo about my work
Sorry,
and
about my
about my
work.
age
Okay,
and
age.
siguro based on your first impression, ano kaya ang goal or nakikita nyo if
Cool.
I'll be your partner or girlfriend?
Not gonna lie. Nakikita ko pag naging in a relationship kami. Wait, no. Wait, let's finish the question first.
Friend or basta ganon.
Okay.
All right. I'll answer. I'll answer. Should I answer first or last? I'll answer last.
All right. Let's see.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Your work is what again?
Viva Max, artist.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't hear that earlier. I thought I heard like VMX or something.
It's the same
it's the same.
thing.
Ba't
Yes,
kasi
it's
hindi
the
niya sinabing
abbreviated
Viva
version.
Max?
Okay.
Diba?
Does that
Nahiya
change
siya,
your
nahiya
mind?
pa siya.
I'm so sorry. I would pop my balloon. Yeah. Sorry. I am sorry. I didn't hear you earlier. But yeah.
Okay,
do I still
so
need to answer, or-
yes. Well, now we'd want to know why did you decide to pop your balloon?
Okay.
Maganda raw answer niya,
You
actually.
know, I
Maganda yung
respect
answer niya,
what
hindi pa
everyone
ako.
does for work.
I think I watched the clip.
But I think for me it'd be a little bit hard just because like my family's very traditional, like my Filipino side, and I also would have to respect their opinions, and I think they would kind of, you know, have something to say about it. As much as I would enjoy getting to know you and everything else, I think that would be a hard thing to get by, just also because of nature of the work, and obviously you'd be working with other guys as well, right? Like I don't know in depth about everything there. I saw the previous episodes.
Where daw? Sino ditong hindi aware sa Viva Max?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, Weden daw. Wait, just kidding. Okay.
So that would be the main thing. I mean, just
Respect,
the
respect,
nature of the work.
respect,
But
respect.
again,
Yep.
respect what you do for work, and I
Yep.
wish you more success in it. So
Oh, thank you.
More dicks
Do
in
you have any
in
response to that or just...
More
Hindi ako
success
nagulat.
equals more dicks. Yeah,
Do you
parang di
usually
na
get that
di na dapat
yeah,
nakabot sa mga
from
ganyan.
guys?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much.
Type niya kasi kaya siya naiyak.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Let's go over here.
I think I'll be open-minded naman kasi I have friends then from Viva Max. And then I'm in the modeling industry then, so, and I'm not seloso then, at saka it's part of their job eh. It's part of their work. You should respect that. And if you really like the girl, diba, it's just part of their job, and it's money, so you should be open-minded about it. I think I'm open naman about that.
All right. Thank you so much. And how about over here?
At first kasi, for me, I'm the type of partner kasi na hindi ako controlling eh. So, though I have experience din naman sa modeling, I have friends in the showbiz din. So, I understand the craft on how it is
the
made,
craft.
diba? There are scenes talaga na, syempre, if you have partner, some of them, medyo hindi sa kanila okay. But for me, when it comes on that aspect, hindi naman siya totally deal breaker for me. Like, I understand, I support, kasi gusto ko yung sinusuportahan din ako pabalik. On the manner na kung ano yung gusto ko i-thrive. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, I have so many things to do sa buhay ko din. So if I
Nice
would
answer,
be
nice answer.
selfish, bakit
Okay yung mga answer ng
ako support
nila
mo ako,
tatlo.
tapos ikaw di kita
And yung
support,
reason
diba?
nung esports.
Kumbaga, you can do whatever you want na for your own life. So I'm just
Oh,
here
yung
to be
Sungjin
your
di
number one
nakapagsalita.
supporter. Na support in a way na, let's say may shooting ka, hatid kita, ganyan, whatever.
Daming sinabi.
Kala niya raw panonoorin.
Daming sinabi.
Hindi, yung
Daming
papanoorin,
sinabi.
bro. Pwede namin,
sabay tayo
pwede namin
manonood,
namin
no?
gawin yun privately.
Well, since we only have 2 balloons left.
Wait,
hindi mo
it's my
nakita-
turn. It's my turn to answer. So, ako, I have nothing against with people who work in that kind of industry, and I'm very open-minded about it. You know, I know it's fake. I know it's fake. You know, I can see your ass or your chest, but it's fine. It's fine. I think I respect it also, and I know it's fake nga, so I'm fine with that. And ayun lang, ang nakikita ko lang long term siguro is I'd love for you to quit that job, right? Like get something much better. Parang hindi dapat siya mag-stay dun sa job na yun for a
ipapapop.
long time.
So, sila naman na magtatanong ng question sa'yo to find out if you're a good match for them. So, over here, may
Alright.
question ka ba for our
Ano question
sexy
natin?
single?
Siyempre, di ba, nagiging intimate kayo or whatsoever. Like, honest question lang is like, minsan ba nagkakaroon ng chemistry dun sa pag ginagawa niyo yung scene sa partner or what? Or job lang talaga? Or, honest,
Oo, naano ba yun? Like,
Yeah,
naano ba yung
question.
boundary?
Yeah. Ako as an artist kasi,
Oo.
kaya ko siya ginagawa. For me, parang hindi ako na-challenge if I say no to anything na alam ko kaya kong gawin. I wanna be some actress na kayang gawin kahit anong challenge. Kasi nag-explore ako and I'm learning a lot.
How about you
Regarding
explore
sa
this?
question, if totoo, I never felt one. Kasi here, I'm Aiko. This is a different personality. It's me. Pero if I play a role sa isang movie, it's totally not me. It's that character I'm playing with. Same with the love
It's
scene.
method.
Kung ako, I'm
Method
playing the
actress.
16-year-old
Is
girl,
that right? Method
innocent,
actress.
being abused, curious lang, or na-brainwash lang, and doing the love scenes. I'm gonna play the love
Yeah,
scene
yeah.
Gusto ko sa set, hindi ako yon. After the scene, right after sinabing cut, I couldn't even remember yung mga wala siya. It's totally different.
Understandings, disagreements, it's part of the relationship para mas strengthen yung bond. If ever na magkaroon tayo ng mga certain conflicts, mga
Certain
discuss
conflicts,
natin, ganyan,
arguments.
how do you handle it?
Number one talaga sa akin, importante, communication. Ayoko na matatapos yung araw
Na
as
magkaaway pa.
possible
Ooh,
na
same
hindi
kami.
na solve or hindi na pag-uusapan.
Same kami,
But it
same kami.
depends naman. Let's say, masyadong mabigat yung
Oo,
naging
parang
conflict
masyadong
natin.
mabigat. Yeah.
We need space or kailangan muna nating hindi mag-usap.
Yep.
Let's say for the
Yep.
day or
That's
what.
fine, that's fine. Yep.
Pero, yun, ang solution ko palagi is pag-uusapan talaga. We need to talk
Yep,
about
yep,
it.
yep,
Na-try
yep.
ko din kasi yung pagiging one of my
Someone
toxic
texted me.
trait na aware naman ako. Yeah, kasi mahirap ako mag-process ng negative emotions eh. Pag nagselos ako or galit ako, I'm just so quiet na hindi mo, magtataka ka na lang di ako nagsasalita. Yeah, and I'm working on that. And I learned naman from the past na, yeah, kailangan na pag-uusapan and na-appreciate ko din yung guy na siya yung nag-i-initiate ng conversation na we need to talk about this and that.
Di ba sabi mo kanina at first you have this trait na gusto mo yung tahimik ka lang muna. Para sa akin naman it's not toxic, di ba? Siyempre, you need to process it.
Kaya nga, ganyan yung ex
Siguro
ko.
may follow-up
Tahimik.
question lang is, do you take your problems privately?
Yun,
Like on
ganda.
your own?
Wait, ang ganda.
Or do
Wait,
you
ang ganda.
prefer going to your
Wait, ang ganda ng
friends?
question niya.
Alam mo yun, sharing your problems with them or
Ganda
posting
ng question niya.
such mga scenarios.
Ganda ng
ganun.
question niya. Wait, ang ganda ng question niya. Like, if you and your boyfriend or your girlfriend has a problem, how would you yun, yeah? How would you deal with it? Do you tell it to your friends? Diba? Like, for me, personally, pag tayo may away, dude, can we just, let it stay between us? Diba? Kasi it's much better na kayo lang yung kasi pag may opinion na ng ibang tao, parang mas mas I mean magugulo yung mo like yung thinking mo like kung paano mo i-handle talaga yung problem. Kasi let's say friend A, kunyari nag-away kayo ni boyfriend, hindi ka pinayagan, ganito ganyan. Etong si friend A, sasabihin sa'yo, ano ba yan? Ba't ang controlling naman yung ka-relationship mo? Eto si friend B naman, si friend B, naintindihan ka, di ba? Like, okay lang, baka naman kasi ganito ganyan. E di magkakagulo na yung isip mo, imbis na maapektuhan, like, kapag may opinion sa ibang tao, maapektuhan kasi iba-iba opinion ng tao. So, yung thinking mo,
Ako,
maapektuhan din.
I take my problems on my own eh. The way I
Mm.
cope up, kasi nabanggit ko I'm independent and parang mag-isa talaga ako.
Yep.
Para sa
Yep.
lahat. So, if I have problems, talagang sarili ko.
Yeah.
Yes.
Private
and
lang, private
I'm
lang.
gonna
I like
think
that, I like that, I
solutions.
like
Or
that.
minsan, nagre-recharge lang ako. I isolated myself, ganyan. And
Isolate.
then, siguro pag naka-recover na ako and medyo mag-clear na yung minds ko, yun. I
Yun pa
prefer
yung
to
problem kapag may problem sa relationship niyo, sabihin mo sa friends mo, syempre magulo pa yung utak mo. Hindi ka makakapag-decide ng maayos. Hindi ka makakapag-isip ng solution sa problem na nangyari sa relationship niyo.
talk it kung may jowa, di ba?
Yo, hello for
Eh,
the 3
wala.
viewers. What's up?
By the end of
Wala.
this
So,
round.
so wala.
Gagi,
So,
ito na ako.
nangyayari,
Pwede ako.
Depende eh. Pag masyadong personal and private yung nagiging problem ko, I keep it myself. Pero may mga problem na pwede kong
Di ba?
i-share sa
Wait,
friends.
hindi ba maganda na kapag pinap yung balloon, upo muna? Kasi nakapagod yan ah. Nakatayo lang kayo buong segment, napop na yung balloon mo. Ganun ka na lang. Di ba? I think it's better if
I do ask
Advice.
yes, advices naman sa kanila.
Okay, so right now, wala sa kanilang nag-pop. So, the decision is
Feel
yours.
ko,
Ay,
feel
wait
ko,
lang daw. Sorry,
Feel
balik
ko,
tayo
feel ko. Oh!
dito.
Answer kanina. She reminds me of my best friend sa Viva.
That's one thing you should not say to a girl. Kahit ano pa. I think kahit ano pa sabihin niya. Like, kasi baka pwede naman kasi she reminds me lang, baka same ng ugali. Pero, yung she reminds me of my best friend, of my ex, of my mom, ganun ganyan. Oh my days. I think it's bad. I think it's a bad thing to say.
parang na-feel ko na parang kapatid ko na lang siya. Can I pop my balloon?
Okay.
Ah,
So,
kapatid
she
na
got
lang.
Sister zone?
Sister zone? The fuck? Sister
She's
vibes.
attractive
Sister
and all.
vibes.
And I
Sister
think she has a
vibes.
good heart naman. Pero I can remember my best friend, the way she talks kasi,
See?
and her vibe and her energy.
You wanna shout out? Baka magkakilala sila. Kung Viva Max din.
I think magkakilala sila, yeah.
Oh.
So ayun.
Best.
Nakita ko na parang,
Na bestie zone ka, Aiko, I'm here. Yo,
okay
yo,
kami
Aiko,
magtropa,
Aiko
parang
here,
ganun.
Aiko.
So she reminds me of her kasi. So ayun lang.
Oh.
May response ka ba doon?
Friend zone.
Sister zone.
Sister, gagi ang kick niya nga, no?
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank
Okay, so since we have one balloon left, please join us over here.
Finale.
Okay, so before we proceed,
Parang
we
ayaw
still
niya.
have
Wait,
any
wait.
final
Wait. Look at this, look at this, look at this, ha? Makikita niyo si itsura ng babae kung gusto ba kayo or hindi.
Questions?
Like,
Since we have one balloon left,
pero
please
hindi niya
join
pinap
us
eh. Baka nga
over
type niya din.
here.
Finale.
Okay,
Yo,
so before
yo,
we proceed, us over here.
yo. Hinala.
Okay, so
Yo,
before we
see
proceed,
that,
you
see
still
that,
have
see
any
that?
final questions for each other? How about from your end?
Wala. I'm good.
Okay, now about you?
Kailan yung next, ano mo? Joke lang.
So, if you guys don't have any other questions, I'm gonna ask you now. Sure ka
Feel
na
ko
ba sa
ipapap
kanya?
niya. Feel ko
She
ipapap
seem
niya.
interesting naman din. And
She seems
I think
interesting.
I want to get to know her more.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Hezzy? Dude, basketball players. Let me give you some knowledge about ball, guys, huh? Let me give you some knowledge about ball. Do you know why NBA play or basketball players hesitate? Use the hezzy move? Because, we're not sure where we're gonna go. Like if I look, I'm going right and then I hezzy, that means I'm gonna go left. Or I'm not sure what my next move is. This girl right here used the hezzy move.
Know her more.
If you like someone, you tell them you like someone. Fast. You don't think.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Tumawa na lang.
5,
Well,
6,
Well,
7,
may trust
8,
issue.
9, 10. Ref. Paano to, ref? Paano to, ref? Wala na to, ref. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, ref.
for each other. How about from your end?
Wala. I'm good.
Okay, now about you?
Ref, isa
Kailan
pa,
yung
ref, ah.
next, ano mo? Joke lang.
Ref.
So, if you guys don't have any other questions, I'm gonna ask you now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
She seem interesting naman din. And
She
I
seems
think
interesting
I want to get to know her more.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
1, 2, 3,
Tumawa na
4,
Well,
5,
Well,
6,
may
7,
trust issue.
8, 9, 10. Hello? Why not pop the balloon in the first place, right? Biglang magbabago yung isip. First you hezzy and it took you 10 seconds to say something.
Ano?
And the first thing you say is may trust issue.
Parang lahat na sinasabi niya, he's so very supportive lang na, sige go
Okay.
lang, sige go.
Yo, this is what I'm saying right here. Like, kayong mga babae, like, I mean, I don't blame you for that, pero not every guy is the same. If you have trust issues, I think it's you have to work it yourself, right? You have to work it out yourself. Kasi paano kung genuine pala yung gusto ng guy, right? Tapos,
Hindi ka naniniwalang gano'n.
Parang
Bakit? Parang nagmamatch naman yung values nyo based on yung conversation
Yeah,
kanina.
diba?
You don't wanna try it.
I'm afraid.
Conversation
Yeah,
kanina.
diba?
You don't wanna try it.
2,
I'm
3.
afraid it's gonna...
Wala.
Not end well.
Wala.
Yeah.
Wala.
Okay, well, you can
Di mo-
pop his
di-
balloon
di mo pa
if
natatry,
you feel
tapos-
that way.
Thank you.
Di mo pa natatry and then you're na agad. You're assuming na hindi mag-end well. Why not try it first? And then pag hindi nag-end well, that means you're correct. At parang pag ano pala, okay, di ba? Adi, dude. The guy seems nice. The guy seems nice naman. The guy seems nice pa naman.
Oh,
And for
okay.
that,
Do you have
and
any
for
response?
that, and for that, I will pop my balloon. This is my balloon, guys. I will pop my balloon. I like her pa naman. And then, pero guys, look at this. Like,
Seem interesting naman din. And I think I want to get to know her more.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
1, 2, 3,
Tumawa na lang.
4,
Well,
5,
Well,
6,
may
7,
trust issue.
9, 10.
ano?
Siguro I'm not used to it na
Ep!
parang lahat na sinasabi niya, he's so very supportive. lang. Sige,
Okay.
go.
Ep! Nung tinanong nung yung guy, Tinanong yung guy. Do you like him? Yeah. She wants to get to know her more. He hit him with a cross twin, then drive. Tas nung si Aiko na yung tinanong, like, she pulled up with the hezzy move. Yo, that's wild. That's wild. I noticed then na kapag dalawa na lang, biglang nagbabago yung isip. Pero that's fine. Pero the reason is, pero naano lang kasi, like, why? Why not pop his balloon in the first place pa, di ba? Kaya hindi pwede sa mga hindi pwede tong segment ato sa mga nahihiya or na baka kasi like pag ipapop yung balloon, wag niyo ako i-judge ganyan. Dude, it's not this is not for you. This is not for you. Not gonna lie, this is not for you. This segment is not for you if ganun ka mag-isip. Then you should be clear. Dapat straightforward.
Go lang, sige go
Hindi
lang.
ka naniniwalang gano'n.
Parang
Bakit? Parang nagma-match naman yung values nyo based on yung conversation
Yeah,
kanina.
diba?
You don't wanna try it,
I'm afraid it's gonna...
not end well?
Yeah.
Or- okay, well, you can pop his balloon if you feel that way.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
For me, it's okay. I respect you. As I respect you naman about those.
Thank you so much.
Okay, well, unfortunately, we do not have a match today, but thank you so much for joining. Thank you. and
Yes,
hope to see you
thank
again the next
you.
episode.
Thank you so much.
Here comes our next sexy single.